This is an enhanced concealed weapons class. So what we're doing out here is we're qualifying them with shooting. In Idaho, you got to shoot at least 98 rounds. So we're going to do some unsighted shooting here. We're also going to do some shooting from cover. We're going to do some movement shooting, and then we're going to do some sighted precision shooting over there. So by the time we get done, we'll shoot at least 98 to 100 rounds. That'll qualify them to get their concealment. Here, two guys shoot at the same time. Next two get up, shoot. We'll do 10 rounds, okay? Just get you warmed up and stuff. And then after that's done, when everybody's done that, then we're gonna go through some movement shooting. After that, we're gonna go through a little stress shooting. And then after we get done with that, we're gonna do some sight shooting with steel. What I'm trying to get you to do is just learn to shoot from cover. I'm going to say gun. Turn around, pop, 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 pop. You're going to look, and then holster. You're always checking your surroundings before you holster that weapon. You're going to walk with your weapon drawn. Okay? I'm going to say gun. Turn around, pop, 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 pop. Then you're going to look, and then holster. From now on, from this exercise on, every drill, when you do it, before you holster, I want you to check your surroundings, make sure nobody's around. So when you get done shooting, I want you to then put it back. Gun.
You guys are doing that, you can find the cadence, right, while you're kind of learning. And this is how you're gonna take accurate shots while you're moving, is you'll have a cadence with your step, right? So now, do I want to shoot when I land, or do I want to shoot when I lift?
Gun. Look. Holster, come on back. When you're done shooting, you can bring it home. You know, you can do that. Go. Gun. Gun.
In a critical incident, if you're doing a mag change, you're moving.
Yeah.
You're moving while you're doing your mag change.
Get the heck out of the way.
Yeah, don't stand there and wait for them to shoot you.
Gun. Check your area.
Guys, I want to just touch on foot movement just a little bit, okay? You guys are doing awesome. When you come to transition, it it is kind of important how you step out, okay? Again, slow down just a little bit. Just a little bit. You guys are, I mean, you're getting the paper, that's great. But if you trip in a critical incident, you're out of the fight, okay? So when you step out, if you're hearing threat, get yourself a wide stance at this point. So if I need to move back, I'm here and here and here. But if I come in here like this and I'm kind of dragging my foot, doing these sort of things, you're focused on the target down range, and there's a curve, there's bushes, there's whatever's going on, you're focused here, and you go down, that's a bad deal. So slow it down a little bit and just think a little bit more aware, less on how fast you're shooting, more on all the things that are going on, okay? It's just designed to make you think. But one more thing to think about, check your footwork a little bit, right? So just in case you need to get off that X, get off the line, you can do that without doing this, tripping, something like that.
Gun. Holster. Nice. Gun. Holster. Running, stopping, shooting, running, stopping, shooting, running, stopping, shooting. Checking your area every time you shoot and go to the next target. I want you to hit every target in 2 rounds. Go!
Transition here. Now there's 2 ways you can do this. You need to pick which is best for your abilities. There's the turret, same thing. Okay, my feet are moving this way and I'm moving. Now if you're stopping and you need to move again, you want to lead with this foot, come off. I know it sounds basic, but what's happening is there's a lot of this going on, a lot of crossing of feet. Okay? So you want to keep your feet as far apart as possible. So if I'm transitioning here, I'm looking, I'm here. Okay? Bam. Here. Bam. Here. You see how my feet are kind of staying out? The other one again is the consistent movement shooting. Is your body. You want your body to act like a turret. Like a tank, think of like a tank, okay? So in whatever direction you're going, that's the way you want your legs going. So if I'm here, bang, 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 okay? That's it. So again, just keep your stance as wide as possible. You don't have to squat, and again, with your abilities, but if you have any knee impingements or bad knees, anything like that, keeping a wider stance is actually better for you.
Right turn.
Watch out,
Gun, gun, gun! Surroundings, check, check, check! Holster. You're gonna run down to that berm, turn around, and you're gonna run down, boop, 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 like this, alright? You're gonna run down, all the way, come around. And when I say gun, you're gonna draw, boom, 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 boom. Look, and then holster.
1 round per.
1 round per. Good, good. Check, check. You gonna walk or run?
Oh, do I gotta run?
Gun, gun, gun. Check your area, check your area. Holster. Nice job. Ready? Commence. Good. Take your time, Steve. Okay, commence. Take your time. Okay, commence. Missed one.
Ah, I had to.
Commence. You mean it was the engine, not the arrow?
I just didn't say anything.
Ready? Okay, let's go. Good, 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 good. But it works really nice. It works really nice. Any questions? All right, guys. You did well. So let's pack everything up.